What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 36 of the Webull Options Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium so that it could eventually replace your 9-to-5 job if we wanted to. Our current goal is to try to get to $1,000 where we are generating in premium every single week, which would be pretty sweet. That is our long-term goal, and we're trying to achieve that eventually. Right now the portfolio is down. As you guys can see, it's at $42,432.46. That's actually we're down about negative 26.77%, which comes out to a total of about $15,219.07. As you'll see, our cash balance actually did go up. Cash balance is at $801.38. And the other thing here, guys, that I do want to start pointing out is our options buying power. So that is at $3,780.67. I believe last week it was around 18,000. Now the reason why it's down is because I'm going to show you guys a couple trades that I've been doing. So what I plan to do in this episode is I will show you guys all my trades as well. I'm actually going to jump over to the Yahoo Finance, and I'm going to show you guys some of the charts that I've been using for these two other. I did sell two. Well, I guess I sold some cash secured puts on two other companies, and I'm going to show you guys what I did and why I picked those strike prices, and hopefully we are going to continue to learn and figure out how to sell options even better. So hopefully you guys learn a little bit today in this episode, but I'm also going to show you guys all the trades on the Google Sheets. But before we do get started, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. And I typically try to make sure that I upload an options video every single Saturday, so that you can definitely look forward to that. But the first thing I want to show you guys is the indicator that I have been using, which is the Bollinger Bands. And so if you just look it up in Google, Bollinger Bands are envelopes plotted as standard deviation levels above and below a simple moving average of the price. So Bollinger Bands help determine whether prices are high or low on a relative basis. And they're usually paired both upper and lower bands in the conjunction with a moving average. So that is pretty sweet. So this is a indicator that I have started using, and so one of the first ones that I do see it, well, I guess if you guys jump back into the Webull portfolio, you'll see that I actually ended up selling 4 cash secured puts on Tattoo Chef at a strike price of $15. It's actually going to expire on the 21st of September. Well, not the 21st, but the 17th of September of 2021. And so I actually collected 38 cents or $38 per cash secured put that I sold. So that came out to be like a total around, I believe, 160 or so. I know it's a little bit less, but just guessing around there. But if we look at the charts here, if I'm going to pull it up. So if you pull up Yahoo Finance, type in TTCF, you can go to the charts. You'll see that I have enabled the Bollinger Bands, and so I also have the moving average, well, I guess the 30-day moving average, which should be in purple. But the way that the Bollinger Bands work is that you'll see this yellow line up here that says $22.64. That is our upper bound, and then you'll see one down here, which if you look down here, well, I guess right here, you can see that the lower bound is about, it'll be fluctuating depending where we're at. But if we look at the latest, you'll see it's at $15.50. Currently, Tattoo Chef is trading at $19. Let's see. It's hard to see. Let me move this to a 1 month so we can see this. Yes, so you can see the lower bound is $15.50. Tattoo Chef's trading at $16.86 currently. Is what the market traded. So the way that this works is that if you're to look at this chart, is that the current stock price, which is in blue, you'll see that it should be ranging, well, I guess be trading around these bounds. So remember, this is the upper bound, this is the lower bound. So it should always typically try to move towards the center, which would be the orange line for us. And so you guys can see that we are kind of undervalued here, and we've been oversold. So the goal is that it shouldn't go past $15.50, and so it should move upwards in our case. And as you guys can see in the 3 months, you'll see that it kind of fluctuates. You can follow that green, well, I guess the blue line, see how it stays and consolidates, and then now it's expanding, but it's oversold here. So the goal here is that I don't think it'll go past $15. I think we'll just collect that premium for Tattoo Chef. So that is, well, the main reason. So you guys can see that I did sell the cash secured put for $15. It's very close to the current price that Tattoo Chef is trading, because remember, Tattoo Chef's at $16, which is actually something that did move up, because I did sell it, I believe, yesterday right around $16 or so, and so that was pretty awesome. So I think it's gonna actually end up just expiring worthless, or we will be able to buy it back very soon for a huge profit. And so the next one, if we jump back over to the Webull app, you'll see that I ended up selling one cash secured put on AMD with a strike price of $87. It's actually gonna expire next week on the 27th of August, and we collected a $10 premium. So that was pretty sweet. It's not a lot, but remember that we are going to be playing it safe this time, and I'm going to show you guys the charts on why I did that. I believe this had like a delta of like 0.01 or something. It was like super safe. But I'm going to show you guys currently AMD's trading around, which I guess if I show you guys the charts on Yahoo Finance, you'll see that AMD, it's trading around $104.65. And if we look, you'll see we have the Bollinger Bands pulled up. You'll see right here that if we look at the 3 months, you'll see that the lower bound for us is $93.14. Our upper bound is $118.66. So for our cash secured put, we want to try to stay below $93.14. If you're to sell a covered call, you'd want to stay above $118 if you didn't want your shares taken away. You'll see that AMD's right around the center of the Bollinger Band. So that is going to either move upwards or downwards, but our cash secured put for us is way safer. We're like down here of $87. So that is going to be pretty awesome there. As you'll see also, the moving average, 30-day moving average, it could go down here and act as support. So that is why I chose the 87 strike price. And so let's go ahead and jump back over to the Webull app. So as you'll see, we did collect the $10 that I showed you guys, and so that is why I put those two trades. If you guys do like this new style where I bring up the charts and show you guys why I sold these, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be sure to continue to actually show you guys this. This was a new experimental thing that I'm adding to the videos, and hopefully it becomes helpful. But let's go ahead and go to all the covered calls that I did do this past week. So the first one here, guys, you guys see we have 200 shares of SoFi. I actually ended up selling 2 covered calls at a strike price of $16. It actually expired yesterday on the 20th of August. We collected about $2, so that is a total of $4 we collected. SoFi has been beaten down. It's trading currently around $14, so we're just trying to collect some crumbs until it does recover. The next one here, guys, we do have is 200 shares of Mara. And so we actually sold 2 covered calls at a strike price of $38, and so we actually collected 5 cents or $5 per contract. So we collected a total of $10. You'll see that we are down on Mara as well, so we are okay, just collecting some crumbs. And this one expired worthless. You'll see that I actually sold this covered call below my strike price, so my current cost basis of Mara is at $47. It's around $48 is my true cost basis of Mara, and so my strike price was $38, so definitely way below my cost basis. So these are the type of trades that I do gotta be careful and I gotta watch, because I don't want my shares taken away, but I do want to collect some premium while the stock is down. So the next one here, guys, that we do have is 8 shares of Tesla, which we are just down about 10%, and we're going to continue to hold this one. Tesla is currently trading around $680.26, and if we move on to the next one, you'll see that we do have 100 shares of Beyond Meat. and we actually sold one covered call at a strike price of $133, and it actually expired yesterday, and it expired worthless. We collected $8 in premium, and so you'll see that my true cost basis for Beyond Meat is at $172 or so, and we actually sold below our cost basis. So I sold a strike price of $133, so definitely way below my cost basis. So this is a type of trade that I do have to manage myself and keep an eye out on, but this one did expire worthless because Beyond Meat closed at $117.35, so definitely nowhere near our strike price of $133. So the next one here, which is our last one, is we have 400 shares of NEO, and we actually sold 4 covered calls at a strike price of $40, and it actually expired yesterday, and they expired worthless. We collected 3 cents or $3 per contract, so that was a total of $12. As you'll see that we are just collecting a couple crumbs from NEO, but we are currently trading, well, I guess selling covered calls below our cost basis. As you'll see, NEO is, our true cost basis is around $52 or $51.49. I just consider it $52. And we are selling a covered call at $40. NEO's currently trading at $36.92. So our contracts expired worthless. We kept the premium and we kept the stock. So that was pretty sweet, guys. So this was all our trades for this week, and we do have those couple other trades that I have open, and yeah, what do you guys think of this? But let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so that I can show you guys all the exact trades and how much we collected for this past week. So let's go ahead and jump over there. All right, guys, so we're here at the Google Sheets, and as you'll see, I do have this Google Sheets available for free. Check out the video description, and let's go ahead and click on the start date. Let's find out how much we made for this week. So the start date was the 16th. And our end date was on the 20th. So let's find out how much we made for this week. And we made a total of $199.02. So that was pretty sweet. Credits total we collected $203. After fees, $202.07. We actually bought back about $3 in premium. And so that way we exit some positions, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But if we look at the weekly performance, you'll see that this is week 63, which we've collected $199, which brings our total to $58,486.52. This is the total premium we've collected so far, plus our initial investment. I typically try to avoid selling my stocks below my cost basis, so this is what that assumption is making. So if we look over here, you'll see total we've collected is the $12,062.18. And if we look at this, our current return is about 26%, which is pretty awesome. I believe that was our goal. Let's try to see if we can get it to 30% by the end of the year. That's about 4% more that we have, and we have about maybe 3 more months left. So I think we can do it, especially if we do recover. It'll be a much easier goal to get there. But that is pretty awesome, 26%. One of the things here that I do want to point out is we are down quite a bit on some of these stocks. So I would have to make sure that one of the stocks I could get out or exit the position, because remember that I will owe about $3,620 in taxes, because that is a taxable account. So I got to make sure that I have that available. But after taxes, that would bring that we collected about 18.2%, or I guess 18.20% total returns for this year on the Webull app. So that's pretty sweet. If we look at the credits, guys, you'll see that we did sell the covered calls on Mara, and they actually expired worthless. Then Beyond Meat, we sold the covered call, it expired worthless. SoFi, we sold the covered calls, they expired worthless. We collected about $2 per contract. NEO, you'll see that we sold the 4 covered calls, and we collected about $11 or so, and they expired worthless. The other one here is I actually sold a cash secured put on the 19th of August at a strike price of $97. We collected about $8, and I was able to buy it back, I believe, for $3, so I collected about $5 there, so that one was pretty nice. And then the other ones, which I showed you guys in the charts, I actually sold the cash secured put on AMD, and strike price $87, and we collected $10. And it's still open, so we're gonna see next week what happens when we can buy it back, or if we end up getting assigned. So we'll see how the Bollinger Bands work. And so the next one here, guys, which is actually the last one, we sold the 4 cash secured puts on Tattoo Chef, which we collected a total of like 150, 160 or so, and they're still open. This is a 1 month type of cash secured put, which you see it expires on the 17th of September. So that is pretty sweet. We're gonna see how that trades go through. Let's look at the debits here, and if we look at the debits, you'll see that I actually ended up buying one of the AMD cash secured puts, which we paid a total of $3. And so the next one here, guys, is the gains. So I have nothing for gains. And then current buys, we still have the 8 shares of Tesla. And so yeah, guys, this is all I have for you guys in this episode. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and also let me know what type of indicators that you guys use or that would be useful, because we are learning from each other and making you know, getting this knowledge shared across, and trying to learn more and more as we go. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.